Okay, good day to my followers. This is Harman from DCWWW World Wide Web. So, morning to all, to everyone. Say no to drugs, okay? Peace be with us all. Do not do unto others what you do not want others do unto you. Okay. Okay, so our lesson for today class is about the newly installed MASM32, the one I demonstrated to you. Okay, I have my MASM on drive C last time. Okay, so you can right click. What I did, I right click it and I change it to my drive F now. Okay, so actually you can copy that MASM already anywhere in your drive, in your pen drive, whatever drive. Okay, so I just changed this one to F. So that's the location now. This is the start in directory. This is the target on bit. Okay, so after that, this is the target. As you can see here, I told you there is exe. Program only are exe. Then you can change icon and everything. You can try. So now, okay, done. After that, I'm running this CMD because I pin into toolbar. Press window R and you can type anything here because you are running those exe. You know already the name of the exe, you just type here Explorer. Okay, that is your window Explorer. That is the window E. Okay, so as you can see it runs, so that is the Explorer. But they teach us some shortcut. All these icons are those shortcut only in those exe file. I told you, you watch my exe combat video. Okay. So now window R and you type here CMD command line, and you will go back on this black screen. Yeah. And this is the same thing of this my CMD here. Okay, so why this one is green, just right click that one and search for the properties. Okay, and change the color. Okay, so is there any, okay, here, see this, I click here and some properties here, and you change your font, your layout, your colors. I want green. That's it. Because yeah, green can help your eye maybe. Because of the plants, green. Okay. Actually, that I just prepared green. I'm like the old monitor. Last time our washing machine, time machine. Okay, so now you know now how to run. So if you want to transfer drive, you can type A followed by colon. That's how you transfer drive in Windows. C colon. Okay, C colon until Z colon. So if you have set drive, you have 26 drive, you can transfer. So that's how transferring drive. Now we go to F. Okay, and CD MASM 32 CD ls clear screen directory, and you can view all the folders here. These are all folders, so I want to see all the folders. See directory /AD, so these are all the folders. Okay, if you want, if you do not like to do like that, and you are not used to that, sometimes there are programs you need to run in command line. So let's say you press window E, window in your keyboard, and run the E. Okay, after that, when we after pressing window E, You see from here, okay, your PC, and there is drive F on this PC, because I just partition my hard disk into 3. Okay, so I have drive F. Okay, so in here we have concentrate in MASM32, and there are tutorial here. So if you run this tutorial in console and you try, let's try this demo one. Like what I told you, you know already the XA, which one is running, so it's the one. Okay, so like what I told you, like what I told you, class, those XC combat files is you can run. So let's double click this, and to see it, let's try to double click that. Double click, and it works. So you see, it works. But what happened now to you? So that's why, because this is a console, so you have to do in console. Okay, so you have to go to MASM32, and we have to go to tutorial. Okay, and go here, and you go to CD console, change directory. Like what I told you, all having the symbol are directories in XC Combat tutorial. Okay, so now let's continue. Console and directory, we have demo 1, demonstration number 1, CD demo 1, directory, and we are going to run the hello. Enter. Hi, this actually works. Okay. So from here you can type hello.asm, but it's not running. Actually, Windows can track this is a file. So once the window knew that that is a file, so you can, it will give you some suggestion which file, which program are going to open that file. So you have to look, you can open that in Notepad. Okay, those text editor, you can look for another apps. Okay, so the list, our program is in the list here already, so click this one. Okay, and run that. Okay, so now we run the program here. Okay, so now we open the program, or you can open this one here in your F, and look for your MASM32. Okay, and now I found that the world is round. Now you can see here there's a lot of XC in MASM32. If you're going down all this, see, if you know only this one, you try all. Actually, this is the one. You can run this one also. Quick editor text browser. This one, quick editor text MASM32 code editor. You can try the difference. I never. I try this. You can see how it looks like. The same. So get me. I see. Okay, so this one is the editor we are using. Okay, you can run like that, or you can run direct to CMD and choose, let Windows choose for you the file, the program to open that file. It's tracking the extension, and they will give you, because if the window track it will, let's say that is a document, it will run in Microsoft Windows. Okay, so now so remember this, class, don't be afraid of computer, because Remember this, there is no programmer in the world that he is going to sell his program or share to the people his program, and he wants all to learn it. Meaning there is no code in this program that he can destroy his program. See what I have to share to all the people of the world, then there is a code in my program to destroy it, so it's not good. So what you're going to do, first you run this one, run all this. Okay, save as, meaning save in the different link, load the script, if you have some script, and words file, run this program, press F5 to run. Then command prompt, you can click, you can click Control D, there is a command prompt here already, see? You just press Control D and it will give you the command prompt, you see? That's why you can click F11, so it will go to the Shell Explorer. Okay? And while you are doing your things, and you can set the current directory first. Let's say you want to open always in while you are using it, you put the directory first in tutorial, under console, under demo 1, and you click OK. And if you try to open the file, you are already on that directory, so no need for you to find it. Okay, because you are concentrating, you are learning, you are trying to concentrate on this, and you can review all this, include macros. They include in MASM32. This is the directory in MASM32. Include. Where is this directory? MASM32 include Windows. So you can run the Explorer again. Press F11. Okay, so from here you can go here MASM. Okay, as you can see, they said MASM, the root directory. So after MASM, it says include. So you have to go in include, and you have to find this window include file. See, always first. You see, then macros.asm. Okay, MASM support macro, so meaning this one is always first. Then you go to macros, MASM macros, and you look for macros.asm, this one, and open it. So it will ask you again, wait, you can open in the same Explorer. Okay, so you have to Explorer now. So after that, you have these two. This is the MASM. They're trying to create macro name and the argument, and it's until it's here. It says this macro replaces quoted text with data section offset and return it in an offset name format. It is used by other macros that handle optional quoted text or other. See, you read that one, like that, and it's now support 2-byte character if the Unicode equate is set. See, meaning if there's Unicode, it is a 2-byte character. So that is the passive macro replaces quoted text with a data section. Okay. So now from here, as you can see, you go to help and read all of this. Okay. You click MASM32 here, and as you can see, there is a macro reference here. You can hide this if you want to compare and learn. So macro is a procedure. It is a function. Let's say you want to print hello world. You want to print. Then the other one is hi. The other one is hello. The other one is this is correct. This is right. Are you going to repeat the code? No. That's why they use this macro. They use it in macro. You can run. They can run it every time they call this. It's running. Okay. That's the use of this one. That's the use of this area. Okay. It will write an argument to the data section automatic. See. Oh. So after that, like what I told you, click this macro. Please class, review my syntax lesson. I told you you will not understand all these syntaxes. That's why click name here. What is mean by name? So they describe you here. This is the description. Meaning marks the beginning of macro. Definition called name. That's the one. So meaning every macro has a name. Okay, you can type here show me. That's the name of macro. Or print me. Print data. So make sure it is not a code in assembly or in Windows. Okay. So and it takes optional parameters. Optional because of the bracket. I told you, please review my syntax. And as you can see here, you can type parameter, follow with the one with the tag. Meaning only parameter can type, even tag can type, because that's optional. Okay. As you can see here, you can type parameter. You can type colon tag and another parameter separated by comma or tag, and you can continue tag until you tag until you become expert in doing those syntaxes. After that, you can put local variable list, or you can proceed to the statement without this and without this. And once you type NM, it will stop the macro. So that's how they tell you what to do. They give you example. My macro value is the request. Register is equal to AX. Accumulator. Options, bar args. Those options, those are the variable argument. Then you can declare your local, and you name it returnable, and that's how they do it. If you click substr, what is substr? You copy that one, and actually you try to look for the index. Click the index here, and you go down and look for substr. PQRS, this one. Double click, follow again the syntax. You just put substr. So here's the macro. Substr here. You hide this one. Okay. So they put arguments. So these are now the arguments. Comma 1 1. So the length is this one. The length is 1. Start from 1 and the length is 1. See? That's how you can understand those code. Okay, after that you learn. Please learn my syntax, because there's a lot of syntax I told you in programming. So after that You know the location already of all this library. Okay, and you can type here, hey, this is actually work. So the name is print. So meaning, let's see, maybe it is in their macro, the name, the print. Let's try to review their macros again. Okay, so let's open their macros and look for the print if there is. Right. Okay, so let's open their macros and double click it. You can make Windows this one as a default. Every time you click it will open already. So how to do it is to take this one to make that one as a default. More option here. No, okay, so I think we need to right click this one. No? How do you want to open this? No, this PC. No, another for this PC. You can set this to run by default on that. Every time you click this, automatically it will. For this one, where's the option? Yeah, this one. Look for, not that one. For this one, you can save this one as a default. Never mind. So okay, so after you, I don't know why my default is not working yet, but okay, so now as you can see here, is there any print command here? So let's try F2, find text, F2. Is there any print command here? Print, and click down. Is there any command of print? Oh, okay, this one is print F, but whole word, I want only whole word. Down. Oh, this is it. We got you. Oh, see? Now meaning, this is the one they are calling now print. They have this argument 1, request the variable name, the bar arg, variable argument bar arg. Is there any bar arg in help? So you can click our help, MASM32. Okay. So with our help, the MASM32. Okay, so it's different help already. It's for quick editor. So you try all. Okay, you try all. What are those of code? Okay, what are those of code they use? This is how you teach yourself. Keep reading, keep researching. Take away on drugs, improve yourself. So there is a bar arg here. Is there any bar argument? What is bar arg? STUB bar arg. See, there is bar arg in procedure, bar arg in macro, then bar arg macro, variable arguments. Okay. And how about this bar arg procedure? Double click it, and it's the same. I know, I think it's not the same. It's not the same. Okay, this is in bar procedure. Okay, but there we are in the bar macro, I think. Yeah. See? Replace variable name bar. So bar attributes allow you to pass a variable number of arguments to macro. The macro parameter we pass a command separately to values, blah blah blah. So meaning you can pass parameter. Okay, any parameter. So we have only one parameter. So meaning you can pass here any text. Alright, and after that you invoke the standard out and expand prefix argument number 1 strike else, invoke the other one, if then else, if and else, and if NB variable name. There is a condition if NB, so if not below, that's the maybe that's the one. If not below, then blah 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 run. So they use this print, but how come there's a lot of code here? You can review that in the future. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to go back to our small program. Where is now our small program? It's gone out of my life. Oh, it's gone. So now, as you can see here, there's a lot of code on on top. But it's okay. That's how they give us the technique. So meaning maybe later on you have to explore it by yourself. Okay, so meaning I can type here also print using macro. That's the one I'm telling you. No need for you to do it again and again. You make it short and put in a macro and call. Okay. Hey, I copied you. And you smile. And what is 1310? According to the program. Okay, 1310. We review what's that? The link. That is the link, right? Yeah, that's the link. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So start from is it hexadecimal? So you try. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is that the link? Is that the link? Okay, so 1310. I did not. So let's review their macro. Okay, it says there 1310. Here's the macro. Okay, so we go to print again. Here's the print. Okay, print argument. Print argument variable. Argument 1. Character variable. Maybe. Okay, let's try to follow the 1310. Maybe that is the what we call ASCII. Let's see in ASCII what's that. Okay, I know it's an ASCII code here. So you click here index. Okay, index and look for ASCII character here and double click this. And what is 1310? 13 is enter. Okay, return. Okay, and 10 is yeah, correct, line 5. Okay, now you know. So meaning the programmer add an enter, the 13 10, so you have to follow 13 and 10. Okay, so that is now we are going to go back to our program and check this one. No, not that one. Not that one. Check this one. Not that one. That is our macro. Tab. Yeah, I'm doing OBS in editing. So thanks for the OBS factory. So those programmers in the world, they are helping us to become easy our job. So regards to all of them. Need to thank all of them. I hope in the future you can improve yourself and you can make some machinery. Nowadays there is a chat GPT and I love it. There's a lot of knowledge you can get. Okay, so now stop talking. Okay, let's continue what we are doing. So we're going to add enter here and new number, that is hex. Okay, so after that what we are going to do is to run this code. It says here run program F5. So that one, it will run the program. What happened when we run? What's that? Click file here, then run program F5. Yeah, correct. So it's looking for a file name, maybe another file name. I'm not doing like that. I'm just do the build. Hello 2. Let's say hello 2. Let's say hello 2 and let's run save the file. Yes, it's looking to save the file and run. So no need. Okay, just click here build all and it will run mm/cuff, the one so error missing single or double quotation in line 39. Okay, so you debug your code. What happened to our line 39? So what we're going to do is press Control G. Where's that here? Control G is here. Go to number. Is the error just now? Okay, so build all. So it says ASCII build 39. So something wrong with the 39. So you review your code and as you can see what happened to the 39. Let's try now here. Control G, go to 39, enter, and this is it. So the error message, something with the syntax. Print the character, print all these characters, and that one, and that one. Okay, so what's wrong? They are all the same? No. Because we put a parenthesis here. Maybe it's thinking that is the parenthesis. Okay. Okay, so for example, Okay, so that's how we do it. Hey, I copy too. So you put point here and type box dot Roma 13 10 and copy all until how many. That's the use of print macros. It's just rotating the command, right? So that's why if it's just rotating the command, so no need for you to retype and retype again, okay? So it is already in the data section, so and let it run. So build or so perfect. So meaning we have already the command for doing all these things. So let's here there's a project here and you click make it bot. Okay, so meaning it will create a batch file for you, and after that you try all of this, okay, one by one. Select the tools to create new UI windows here, and all of this, create new console, blah, blah, blah. You can run all of this, okay? Don't be afraid to run all of that. Script to create message back already there is. Well, that's why you can try all, okay? After that, so let's view our program. So I told you already, let's view our program now. We are in CMD. Let's put our CMD here, one problem, and directory CLS, and once you do the directory here, create an object that you can share to any platform, okay? And they add PE here, the header, and once you type hello, and it will run. So like what I told you, it did not run because the ML is not okay. So what we're going to do is to type ML / question mark. Please review my syntax. /ML /options. So all of these are the options. /80. These are all the options. /80 /BI /C /COFF common object file format /C assemble without linking. That's usually they use. Okay, so see, there is Pascal here. So you just review this, you copy all and put to ChatGPT and explain to you one by one. Okay, so now after this we're going to run ML, but let's have to delete hello .exe. Erase directory, delete hello .object directory, and ML /C /COFF. Hooray! Hooray! And that's how he built it. And after that, we have now OBJ. So we have to review our link /question mark. Then please again follow my syntax lesson. Link followed by option, link console here, like what I told you. Follow my how to read this, meaning this split vertical by I teach you already. You can use this one, only this one. You cannot use run this simultaneous. Even this one, driver up only or driver WDM. Debug type on COFF or debug type CB, only that you can use. Okay. So what you're going to do, copy all this again and let the ChatGPT explain to you. If not, research in Google. Okay, there's a lot of website. So now what you are going to do is to link it. You can practice to link one by one, but that's what they are doing. So link slash subsystem colon console. Okay, console file or files. Okay, so console hello.obj, enter. So after that, we have now hello exe. Type hello, enter. Hey, this actually work. I copied this. So that's how you do it. Okay, so now you know how it works. You can improve yourself now, hoping in the future everybody's happy in coding assembly. Okay, so what else I forgot? Yeah, you can disassemble that. So let's try to disassemble our exe because it is already loaded. It's already loaded in the that directory, and this may take a moment, and this is it. Okay. This is the disassemble, and you can read those they call again this one, right file, get the handle, and exit process, and this one you see. Now it's different. Then push to the stack, push the stack the first parameter, then call, push again, call, push, and they add your OCC, meaning interrupt 3, no operation anymore. Okay. And you can copy all this opcode and arrange. And you try. Okay, so that's so another thing is the one I told you already. You can save the load binary file as hex, and save hex as a file, and keep that file, and later on you convert. Okay, how we do that? Let's say load binary file as hex. So this is the last time load file as hex. So this is the hello exe already, and you are going to save this file. Save as my hello code. My hello code. Okay, point text txt. This is it now. Then close it. Let's say you want to open again hello code my text. let's say you reopen again and you click tools, save that format into, I did it in my last video, some save as hex file. Okay, and you type here another hello from another hello file, another hello file .exe, enter. So meaning this code you convert already to exe. Let's try if it is true or not. We go here directory and try another hello file, enter. See, it works. So that's how they edit the Martian movie. Okay, so you can keep this text file. That's your original already coded ASCII, and every time you want to convert every time you want to make an ASCII program, you just use that command and you can create a lot of exe. Okay, because it is there already. Just converted this one in a hex. Okay, so I hope you understand that you can make manual program like this. If you know how to create, just track how many bytes in the PE they created in a portable. From, I think maybe from here they use some portable. These are all headers of the executable, and after that in the 800 they start the data here in this area. Okay, and this the hello, these are all our data. Okay, I think in 800 here 650 here, sorry, this is the area of 800. This is the area of our data. Okay, so as you can see, there are segmented area in this memory. Okay, the data segment, and that is the code segment, and this is the header. Alright, make sure we know what we are doing. But this is the one I demonstrate already in my previous program, because in 800 once when we try to disassemble, this is not the one is disassembling. This exe file is the one in our system. Okay, disassembling. Okay, so cannot open. See, that is my health code already. So meaning, let's try to close this one. Let's try to remember this 810. Okay, so we're going to open and this hello file exe, and let's try to disassemble it. Disassemble this exe file. What a moment. You see, these are the headers, the one I'm telling you. Code segment and instruction pointer. Stack segment and instruction pointer. So the code CSI fee. Starting with the code, so these are the PE, the file header. Okay, you know when we created this one. So you can review some files. You can see all of this. You can see the machine, Intel 386, the portable, executable, start at B0, table, disk size, base of data. Okay, you can review it. I know, but no need. Once you, it was already automatically created. What you are just doing is to see if there are some people insert here virus. You can see somewhere here. There's one code here, so you will know. It's not my original. You compare to your original. No, that's not the one. Okay. Okay. So this one are easy. These are all easy. Easy for you. Easy for us. After pushing the text, call it. After push, call again. Push, call, push, call, push, call. That's how they run the program. Okay. So after that, you can view this one. Control C to copy. Then take a look. Take a look at in your hand. Okay. And after that, copy F2 and paste. Control V as in victory. And go down. Okay. And you can see here. Hey, this actually works. See, they push all this, and call. Push is call. Actually, it should be pop. Last time they use, I think there is pop command. Okay. Push, because maybe push and pop actually the pop. Let's review here in of code here. As you reviewed here in the of code, there is here push. Push 0 FAO. About the mnemonics here, mnemonic listing. Let's review. Push. I told you, please learn my syntax, because if you type here AA, there is also a syntax you have to follow. Yeah, see? Almost that. Okay, so did you know the rules? You can see here there are push here. Push word and stack. See, this is syntax usage. This is already a syntax. Push by immediate. So immediate memory, immediate. So you go here. 36, size 2 to 3. And this is it. These are the type of push. Okay, then after that you go to our pushing to visit our pushing code. Okay, here. And I want you to see the pushing here. Okay. Actually, the code sometime 1 or 2. So you see this one 68. one is also 6-8. This one is changed already. Because that's the rule here. You know why? You remember the one I told you that in Indianes? You remember the one I told you in Indianes? This is it. This is what happened. Okay. As you can see here, 300 and 0040. As you can see here, this 40, this 400 is this one. This one I'm telling you, it is inverted. Okay? And this is the 003. Is considered this one. Okay? Then after that, as you can see, they push again here. The 1C30 is 1C30. This one is on the right side. Remember that. This one is on the left. That is the Indianes. That's why I told you Windows is using only like that. Okay, remember that class. So it is the same ID here. They are pushing in here. Okay? Remember that. Remember that. That's the one I'm telling you. The one I'm telling you. Okay? Let's review this. Let's divide this in 3084 and 0040. See? 3084 become like that. 8430. See? See? So meaning they are inverting every code. Let's try to focus on that. Remember the Indianes I told you that, but this is how they do that. Okay, so now you know. Okay, so this one should be IC03, IC30, sorry. Correct, this one should be IC30, IC30 400. Okay, so they are controlling this 4, and they are going to put this one on the left and this one is on the right. Okay, so this one is what? This one should be 3068, the high and low level, high and low of the memory. Become 6830. This is the one. Okay, they put it into high and 0400, and this is the one. It should be 4000. 4000. And so now you know. Now you know. Okay. All right. So that's the one in Indianes. You remember my previous video. So now, what is the opcode? So they are using only 68. 1968. This one is never changed. So once you read 68, that is push. Oh, they are pushing, and you can read all this. Okay. Okay, so push. Okay. So now, it's gone. It's okay. Okay, so now you know. Okay. So now from this they use 68. So meaning it is immediate 32 push. See, 68 push immediate 16, but we are here in 32. Okay, so after that, this is the opcode. So if you reading code, you find 68. 68. Then you see the digit is 2 and 2 and 2 and 2, 34 bit, 32 bit. Oh, that's the 68. So they run 68. Okay, so now after that, there is what we call, we are now in push. But you see 06. I don't be, so I told you there's a lot. Some are, I don't know if it is still they can use it, but it's up to them. Okay, so pushing 68. See, this one is enough for me and for you. Then actually all of this you can use. It's up to you. Okay, so 68 push. Am I recording my tutorial? Never mind. Let's check. Okay, still. Then this pop. As you can see here, there is 58 pop. Popping. Pop. Pop. What is the mnemonic of pop here? What is the meaning? This is the mnemonic. That one is a opcode. So pop, popsicle, pop, the destination. See, you can use. Let's try to change that in pop. What do you think? Call. But it's okay. That's how they use call. That is only popping. Because I don't know if we can actually this if we try to reverse that one. Let's try. Okay, so from here, those are only opcode and mnemonic. So where's our debug file? These are the macros. Okay, applying to macros limiting the size of the window type. Okay, you can use it for Windows already. Okay, so because they set up macro as well. So from here, post reg, pop reg. See, every post there is pop. That's why I told you it's the click new here. Okay, let's say as you can see here, pop post 3 register. See, it will give you the base, source index and destination index, and that is the difference of pop. After popping, it will be inverted. DI here, SI there, PI there. Okay, so I told you the first in, first out. Okay, but in this one, it is okay. Don't worry. When you push in the stack, it will increase for 4 bytes. And once you pop, it will decrease. These are all what I mean is these three are automatically running. Okay, it's not on this sequence. Okay, so now we know those the one we disassemble. Where's our window disassembled? Teach yourself. This is the one I told you. Okay, so what else? So you try to open save no. Let's open this. So if you exit this one, the directory will lose again. This one, you have to set it up again. So let's try to open the F and MASM32. Then we go to tutorial, and you see from console, from demo 1, we have a lot of files. Last time it is only hello ASM. Okay, so after that, project tools, and that rule is never be broken. Only they are just switching those two to binary to the left and going to the right. Okay, then disassemble exe file. How about the let's try to assemble. Disassemble, then this one, console assemble and link. Cannot open file this ASM point ASM. Okay, so we're going to name this as this ASM. Right? Yeah. So we're going to name this one as this ASM point txt. So where is it? This is the one. Because we have to go this one as, we have to rename this as ASM, because it's not text. Okay. Save now first. Okay, let's rename that. Okay, so after that you go to C and directory, rename this ASM.txt to this ASM.asm. Okay, so now we're going to close this, open, not text. Okay, there's a lot of programming language. There is TASM, Turbo Assembler,